Located in Dongguan, China, Olight has an independent manufacturing base of about 130,000 square feet. What's it like to create an illumination tool, beginning with the raw materials to the final product? Let's take a journey together to find out. Rigorous quality control begins with the raw materials and extends all the way into the packaging. This level of accuracy and efficiency are achieved through modern technology advancements and our quality information management systems. Each part travels to a quality inspector before being allocated in our warehouse through advancements in warehouse management automation. Intelligent robots provide the precise materials for each workshop. Assembly and processing have achieved exponential growth due to advancements in automation. Products are engraved with a unique serial number to ensure that the entire process is traceable. Testing each product from start to finish is essential. Quality is ensured through extreme temperature tests, abrasion tests, switch tests, waterproofing tests, high-performance battery tests, and also longevity tests. After passing stringent testing, each product is carefully packaged, scanned and weighed for final confirmation, then stored in the warehouse, in the finished goods warehouse of the logistics center. The intelligent robot catalogs each item to ensure accurate stock quantities. Once an order is placed, the intelligent sorting system will precisely select the exact item to be placed onto the conveyor belt. The product is then packaged and ready for shipping. Once the logistics are confirmed, products are loaded into the appropriate shipping carriages before finally being delivered to you.
Olight. Illuminate your world.